Crash or no crash, single-family homes in Miami are still in demand, and that is unlikely to change anytime soon, and there is a very simple reason for that. You see, the majority of new construction taking place in hotspots like the Design District, Brickell, and Wynwood, essentially pretty much anything near the water, are mostly condominiums. So if you want to be in or near any of these popular locations, but you don't want to be in a condo, then your options are very limited. You know, supply and demand, apparently that is a thing. Which brings us to today's property tour video of a fully furnished single-family home in the Design District. Now, let me start off by acknowledging right off of the bat that it's only 1,080 square feet. And for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, that may not seem like a whole lot of space to a lot of you watching. And in actuality, it isn't a ton of space. I mean, there's definitely no denying that, but the value proposition here isn't just the space. Don't get me wrong, that's always a factor. But really what this house has going for it are a lot of other key factors that many people take into consideration. For one, location, location, location. And as we all know, that's the primary driver of value for homes. And this property definitely checks that box, being that it's located in the Design District. And for those of you who don't know what the Design District is, it's essentially the super chic and high-end retail shopping dining neighborhood just north of I-95 and a block west of Biscayne Boulevard. Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Chanel, Rolex, and the like can be found here. So as you can imagine, a ton of money has been spent over the years in the development of this location. But of course, it doesn't just solely rely on its location. Where it lacks in size, it makes up for in pizzazz. I don't even know if that's a word, but design and layout is basically what I'm trying to refer to. And this does so in a very elegant way, I may add. Completely renovated from its quartz countertops to the tile flooring, even the elongated windows, which I love as it creates a more luminous space. It all stacks together and adds a ton of value. But one of the best features of this home is the backyard, which you're definitely not gonna get in any condo, I can assure you that. Now, $9K per month, the question is it worth this amount of money given everything that I just mentioned and everything you're about to see in the property tour video? Because I can only talk so much. You have to just see it for yourself. But whether it's worth 9K or not, you guys will let me know in the comment section below if you feel that this home is worth that. And so with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and all that good stuff. And if you're interested in selling, buying, or renting, or having your property professionally managed by a professional management company, then send me an email and book a call with me or my team to see if you're a good fit for us. And with that being said, enjoy today's video. If you enjoyed today's content and want to see more stuff like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour content and other Miami real estate information. Also, if you want to see more property tours or other videos, make sure you click on any of the playlists or videos that you see here on screen. Thank you so much for tuning in and making it this far. As always, I will see you all next week. Take care and God bless.